offers 3 levels of breathtaking views.
3 levels of Martini.
Enhanced by one of the most outstanding culinary experiences in the city. You are riding the famous glass elevator of the Westin Peachtree Plaza Hotel. As you soar 73 stories above the city, you will experience an unequaled panoramic view of Atlanta. Once you've arrived at the top, stroll around the sundial for the ultimate tour of Atlanta. Be sure to take advantage of the telescope to focus the landscape for closer viewing. And watch
That's what wrong with it?
God damn, fucking ears a problem, man.
Gaze into the distance for a view of Stone Mountain. Follow Peachtree through north into the high rises of Midtown.
How you know what floor you going?
Look further, and you'll see why this
Yes, you don't.
metropolis is known as City of Trees.
It only goes up to the top. There's no, you know what I mean? What the heck?
I don't know what that was, but it scared the shit out of me.